Today I'm gonna assemble the Bissa furniture. It's shoe storage, and I'm gonna do it because we need something to storage our shoes in the entry wall, and so this is the perfect solution for us. Has two drawers, and inside those drawers it has space for four shoes each. So let's start by opening the box and see what's inside. So we have a lot here. I'm gonna take this all out, what we don't need. I normally start by organizing the pieces and watch the manual to see what I'm going to do. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So we have one piece, two pieces, and a lot of stuff inside. So I have the manual. I'm gonna see the manual first, and then I'll reorganize the pieces. So now what you have to do is put the pieces in order. And for that, what you have to do is very simple. Just put these two corners to the sides, all right? Now let's open the bag with all the accessories. So what we're going to need first are these screws with the plastic in the middle, all right? We're going to need 10 of these, okay? One here. Start slowly and then you screw all the way down. I'm using the 10 level. And yeah, that's it. Okay, now we're going to need these four pieces, you see? Okay, and I'll put two in this place here and like this. Just grab it like this and boom. Okay, and make sure it's straight like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay, next we're going to need 4 of these. Okay, little ones, and just screw them to these small things. Now just grab 6 of the wood connectors. All right, 6 or 2, 4, 6, and put 3 here. 1, 2, and 3. All right, pull them hard down like this, and now grab these 3 pieces. Okay, and you have one that is white, and this one goes here like this with a big hole facing the screw. Just give it like this, and you have these two. All right, these two go one to this side and another to this side, so just like that. The big hole goes here like this, right? Very easy. Now use the other 3 wood connectors and put one on top of each board where there's no big hole in the side. So 1, 2, and 3. Now grab 3 of these, 1, and just lock them in place. The arrow should point up after it's locked. Okay, so 2 and 3, and it's done. All right, now it's very easy. Just use this board and flip it over, and on top of the other boards align them like this, and just tap them slowly, each one, until it's all down. Perfect. Now grab the other 3 plastic. Grab 3 of these again and just lock them in place. This time the arrow starts up and goes down. All right, very easy. Done. So the arrow is like this, and now I'm turning clockwise and it goes down. So it should point down. All right, done. Okay, now we're going to grab 4 more wood connectors, and we're going to put 1 on each side of this small board. All right, just like this. 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to put this up like this. Okay, and as you can see, the funny corners are on this side. All right, and this small board has to have the bigger side facing that way, all right? And now grab this, put it on top, align it, let it go, and now give it some love to go down. Okay, and it's done, all right? I'm gonna turn this to you and it should look like this, all right?
Then use these plastic connections, put them in place like you're seeing here, 2 on each side, and so in total makes 4. Then screw them up until you get the arrow pointing the ceiling. Then use these small nails with a white pad and nail them to the bottom of the shoe storage unit. And yeah, after that, grab these 2 white pieces, some of these screws and these black supports, and put them in place, screw them to the white boards. You have 4 of them and 2 for each drawer. So these are the drawers and the supports for the shoes, so be careful here. Then use these small boards, white boards, and put them in place as you can see here. Each board has a different size. You have 3 different sizes, and then after you find the right size, just screw them to the black plastic support, and that's it.
Now grab the smallest one, see where the glue is, and put it facing the board on the floor, okay? Put it in place, and now grab the screws and do exactly what you did in the last one. So screw one screw here and another here. Okay, now that we finished the drawers, it's time to put the drawers in the structure. And what we're going to do is simply put it like this, all right? And now slide it in, put the drawer like this, all right? Let it go all the way down, okay? Until it touches the floor, all right? And just slide it into place, just like that. The second drawer, what you have to do is, instead of putting from this side, we're going to slide it from the bottom, all right? So just put it in place like this, let it slide, and as you can see, it has these 2 black supports, and they should be in here, all right? So let's put it in place, almost there. Boom. Okay, so it's in place. Now to fix the drawers in place, we have to use these black spacers, let's say, and 2 screws. And what we're going to do is, for this side, we're going to use it like this, put the screw, and then screw it through the drawer to the structure, all right? So just like that. Careful with the drawers to not open. Put it like this and open the drawers, and boom, we have drawers. Now we just have to put the spacer in. So the 2 left boards, we're going to have in mind the same thing. So the glue part goes in so you don't see it, just gets a little bit better. Select one of the spacers, one of the levels of the spacers, and force the way in. So that one, and here the same thing, and just boom, you have a spacer as you want. So you can use this in 3 levels. The middle one, all right, you can use it in this level, the level 1, the top one, like this. You can use it in middle, like that, and you can use it in the bottom level, like that. So yeah, it's up to you to select which one you want. Okay, so the build is done. Oops. Now I'm gonna put this in place. We're going to use it on the entry wall. So I'm gonna put it there, put some shoes in, and then I'll show you the final result. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here we are. Let's put it in place, just like here. Okay, so the Bissa storage unit is done, and now it's time to test it out and see if it fits enough shoes for me. So let's see. I'm gonna put inside 2 pairs of boots and 2 pairs of sneakers. So let's open the drawer. First, I'm gonna use these boots, the big boots, the work boots, going here, and they fit nicely. Then next we have these pair of boots that I use to go out here. Then we have the sneakers. So the sneakers, we're going to use these ones, and I use them to run. And finally, I use these white sneakers for everything else. All right, so they're going here, and as you can see, all of them fit nicely. I'm using the spacer in the middle. Yeah, in the middle. So let's see if it closes. So 3, 2, 1, and okay. Doesn't close up to the end, but as you can see, it hides enough the storage inside the shoes, so you can see what's inside, and for me it's good enough. However, I understand that the fact that it doesn't close, because the boots inside, these ones are very large, and we have a board in the back of the unit that prevents the close, because the boots are touching that board. So in the drawer, we don't have that. So we're going to test it out if this set of shoes can fit in the down drawer. So let's try that out and see. Okay, so let's take them all out. Okay, close the upper drawer. And okay, so in the upper drawer, we can't fit these large boots all the way down, but it's okay. It closes, almost closes, so it's good enough for me, but can't be good enough for you. So let's try it in the down drawer. Let's open it. I'm gonna put the spacer in the same place, in the middle. So in the middle level. Okay, and now we're going to test it out. So first the large boots goes here, then the go out boots goes here. Okay, very nice. And now the runners, and finally my sneakers to go out. Okay, so everything fits perfectly. Now it's time to see if it closes. So 3, 2, 1, and it does. So perfect. If you're searching for a solution to storage all your shoes, this could be a good solution for you. You can storage up to 4 shoes, a pair of shoes in each drawer, and so 8 in total, and probably more if your shoes are a little bit smaller. And if you found this video helpful in any way, let me know. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.